Alright, and action. Welcome to the Self household.
You suck. 2012.
January 2012. This is Shaky Shake. This is Sgabetty. JC eating Sgabetty.
Part 11.
Part 11. Show us on your fingers how many 11 is.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Nice. Alright.
That's 10. Wait,
Looks like she did some Shaky Shake. Alright, now shovel. Shortly after Shaky Shake, we shovel. It's a Shaky Shake shovel. Hit it.
My mother hasn't had a warm meal since.
Here we go. There's my daughter.
In a sketty shirt.
Hitting it and quitting it. Atta girl. Hit it and quit it. Wash it down.
Milk.
Cameo appearance by Tanner over there.
Okay.
Look out, here he comes.
I'm gonna kill you, whoever's watching this. No, really, no. But maybe.
Give me a long noodle. Do a long noodle, suck up.
I see a long noodle.
Do it.
I see a long noodle.
There's a napkin for your fingers. Uh-oh.
Fantastic work.
Boo!
Great job. Anything else you want to say to your viewing public?
I love you, Grandma and Grandpa. In Arizona.
To clarify that. Nice.
I spilled this
Okay.
here.
Say bye.
Bye, Grandma and Grandpa in Arizona. See you later, Mr. Apple Pants.